Hi, my name is Axel and work as refrigerator technician at Fix and Care or refrigeration systems, hotels and restaurants. Today I want to quote about my job and share a story from work. I have worked in hotels or restaurants for a few years now, and at time I just fixed many refrigerators and cooling systems that stopped working. I have also helped kitchen staff understand how to take better of equipment. This job that refrigerators stop working in restaurants, every minute counts. One day I walked all call from restaurant when arrived. I'd been kitchen the refrigerator for about an hour when the chef told me that all the food inside was waiting for. I just been looking at wrong part the whole time, then found the real problem, a soft part called capacitor, and just stopped working, a fish and everywhere back to normal. After that day, I thought about what I could have done better if I just checked that part first. I would have joined the problem further, and I've brought my tools with me. I will insist the job sooner that then something important. Always check the simple things first. I really enjoy my job. I have learned and learned working in hotels and restaurants, and every problem I have solved made better at what I do. It's no always is, but is always worth in. Thank you for watching.